Hey there. So I spent hours banging my head against the wall trying to fix this annoying Travis Rilea error in Call of Duty. I tried everything, restarting, updating, you name it. But finally I cracked the code, and I'm going to share the fix with you. It's super simple, so let's dive in and get you back in the game. The solution is completely safe to use, but you might lose some custom settings, like your keybinds or graphics tweaks. No biggie, you can set those up again. Alright, first things first. On your Windows PC, open File Explorer. You can click that little folder icon on your taskbar or just hit the Windows key and E together, easy peasy. Now look over at the left sidebar in File Explorer, you'll see This PC. Click on that to check out your drives and folders. In this PC, scroll until you spot the Documents folder. It's usually right there with your other folders or drives. Double-click to jump inside. Okay, now in Documents, look for a folder called Call of Duty. That's the one we're after. Here's the big move. Right-click on the Call of Duty folder and hit Delete. If it asks you to confirm, go ahead and say yes. Poof, it's gone. Close File Explorer and launch Call of Duty. The game's gonna rebuild that folder automatically, and with any luck, that pesky Travis Rilea error will be history. And that's it. You're back in action. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy gaming.